Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the first lesson of the fifth standard mathematics. Okay. Lesson name is the fish tail. Okay. Deep under the sea. Okay. समुंदर की अंदर बहुत ही अंदर. See the lovely colored fish. Okay. रंगीन वाला मीन. Okay. Swimming peacefully. Okay. This special poem in three lines is called haiku. Okay. Such poems about nature are popular in Japan. Here is another haiku. Haiku itself is Japanese name, it seems. Okay. The lake comes smooth, chill, a fish jumps up and returns. Ripples shake the lake. Do you know any poems about fish? Here are some drawings made by children. When you think of fishes, what shapes come to your mind? नविता का ड्राइंग है ये क्लास फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड की. माया फोर्थ स्टैंडर्ड की फिश है ये. फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड फिश है ये फोर्थ स्टैंडर्ड फिश है. ओके. ट्राई टू यूज ए स्क्वेयर एंड ए ट्रायंगल टू ड्रा ए फिश. ओके. यूज ए स्क्वेयर एंड triangle to make a fish. Look for fish designs around you on cloth, in paintings, and on mats. Mean means a fish, and Meenakshi is a girl whose eyes look like a fish. मीन हिंदी में, इंग्लिश में नहीं, अंग्रेजी में नहीं. मीन हिंदी में फिश बोलते हैं मीन को. नो, फिश को. मीनाक्षी. अक्षी means eyes. Okay. मीनाक्षी is a Hindi word. Sanskrit word also. अक्षी means eyes. Okay. मीन जैसी अक्षी है इसीलिए मीनाक्षी है. Okay. What does that mean? Meenakshi means a girl whose eyes look like a fish. Can you think of someone who has such eyes? इधर देखो. यहीं पे आई है बराबर मीन की जैसे है ना. यहाँ पे देखो टाइल है ये मीन है. ओके. ड्रा ए फेस विथ फिश आइज. ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे ड्रा कर दिया किसी ने. यहाँ पे ड्राइंग्स देखो. ये इतना इतना अच्छा ड्राइंग है ये. ठीक है. एक के ऊपर एक के ऊपर एक. या आप ज़िंदगी में कभी भी ऐसे ट्राई मत करना. कोशिश भी मत करना. कितना लोग है देखो, एक के ऊपर एक. ये पॉसिबल नहीं है. फिशेस कैन हैव वेरी डिफरेंट साइजेस. ओके. द स्मॉलेस्ट फिश इज अबाउट 1 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग. 1 cm का फिश भी होता है. हाउ लॉन्ग इज़ द बिगेस्ट फिश यू कैन इमेजिन. उससे भी बड़ा होगा शायद, अगर तुम्हारी इमेजिनेशन छोटा है तो. हाउ मेनी टाइम्स लॉन्गर इज योर बिग फिश दैन द स्मॉलर फिश. द बिगेस्ट फिश इज द whale shark. Okay, it is actually not a whale but is a big fish. Okay. Whales are different from fish. Whales breathe like we do through their noses, but fish have no noses and they take in water, not air. Oh, मीन हवा को नहीं लेती है, ये पानी को लेती है मीन. वेल्स हमारे जैसे है. उसका नोस होता है, उस नोस से वो ब्रीथ इन ब्रीथ आउट करते हैं हमारे जैसे बिल्कुल. वेल्स गिव बर्थ टू बेबीज लाइक अस. ओके. बट फिश ले एग्स. फिश तो अंडे देते, मीन तो अंडे देते. द वेल शार्क फिश लुक्स बिग एंड डेंजरस. वेल शार्क बहुत बहुत भारी है और बहुत खतरनाक होती है. बट इज़ क्वाइट हार्मलेस. वो साधु जीवी है. इट डज नॉट अटैक ह्यूमंस. ओके. ओके. मनुष्य को अटैक नहीं करते. वन वेल शार्क वॉज एज लॉन्ग एज 18 मीटर. ओके. 18 मीटर मतलब 6 मीटर का आदमी को बराबर 3 टाइम. जस्ट थिंक हाउ लॉन्ग दैट इज. ऑलमोस्ट 12 चिल्ड्रन ऑफ योर साइज स्टैंडिंग वन टॉप ऑफ द अनदर. एंड गेस what it weighted? Well, much more than what 12 of you together weigh. Its weight was about 16,000 kg. Okay. उतना भारी है. About how many kilograms do you weigh? So tall children like you put together will weigh about dash kgs. About how much more does the whale shark weigh more than tall children like you put together? Okay, that तुमको फाइंड आउट करना होगा. The fish tail. Okay, to see the difference between the whales and the fish, look carefully at their tails. Can you see that fish tail stands flat along its body? I say. But the tail of the whale almost like two legs. I say. इधर एक उधर एक. Can you spot the fish in the picture? हाँ यही पे यही है. Schools of fish. Fish like to swim together in the sea in big groups called schools of fish. Okay. वो ग्रुप को क्या बोलते हैं? स्कूल्स बोलते हैं. इन देयर स्कूल दे फील सेफ फ्रॉम द बिगर फिश. डू यू फील सेफ इन योर स्कूल? नहीं, ये तो स्कूल को छोड़ दो और दूसरा स्कूल को ज्वाइन करो. ठीक है. To scare away the bigger fish, some small fish drink up a lot of water, swell up and look big. बोला है जैसे टेक्निक यूज कर रहे हैं इधर. ओके. पानी पी के दिखता है थोड़ा बड़ा फिश है करके, लेकिन है तो वो छोटा. Since you used these shapes to make drawings of fish, now you can also use some shapes to draw the different sea animals shown below. सी उर्चिन है, इसको बोलते हैं सी उर्चिन. ये लॉबस्टर है, ये यील है. ठीक है. ये रेड स्नैपर, कलर अच्छा है उसका. ऑक्टोपस है ये क्लैम है, ये प्रॉन है, ये पैरट फिश, ये कटल फिश सॉरी, ये जेली फिश, ये स्क्विड, क्रैब, सिल्वर पॉम्फ्रेट. ओके. विच ऑफ द सी एनिमल्स हैव यू सीन बिफोर? तुम क्या क्या अभी तक इस एनिमल्स को देखा? फिशरमैन इन देयर बोट्स. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव सीन दी सी? समुद्र को कितना लोग देखा था? वेयर डिड यू सी इट? कहाँ पे देखा था? फिल्म्स में नहीं, बाहर. डिड यू सी इट इन ए मूवी और फॉर द रियल? दैट इज व्हाट आई एम आस्किंग. हाउ डीप डू यू थिंक द सी कुड बी? फाइंड आउट. डू यू नो हाउ टू स्विम? वुड यू बी स्केयर्ड ऑफ the high sea waves? Close your eyes and imagine the sea with waves rising high. How high do you think the waves can go? Imagine that there are fishermen in their boats going up and down with the waves. They start their trip when it is still dark. Some go on a simple boat made from logs of wood tied together. If the sea is rough with very high tides and a strong wind, then these fishermen have a very difficult time. These these are called log boats, do not go very far. If the wind is helpful, they travel about 4 km in 1 hour. How long will they take to go a distance of 10 km? In 1 hour 4 km है तो 2 घंटे में 8 km, और 2 किलोमीटर बाकी है. आधा घंटे में 2 किलोमीटर जा सकते हैं. पूरा हो गया, 2.5 किलोमीटर है. So answer is 2.5 kilometer. You made it correct. Okay. Yes, how far you can go in 1 hour if you walk fast? 4 किलोमीटर. 3 से 4 होगा. 2 किलोमीटर भी होगा. 2 to 5 maybe. Fisherman can feel the wind and look at the sun to find out which way to go. Many of us would get lost and not be able to find our way on the sea where you only see water and nothing else. Find out. Look at the sun and find out the direction from where it rises. East. From where you are, what interesting thing do you see to your east? Name 2 things that are lying to your west. What a catch. Cut on the sea, fishermen look for a place where they hope to find a good catch of fish. There they spread their nets. They will have to wait for many hours for the fish to come into their nets. Okay, fishermen क्या करते? नेट को छोड़ देते और बहुत घंटे ऐसे इंतज़ार करते, कब आते ये फिश, कब आते वो मीन करके. Look at the different types of boats. Some boats have motors and go further into the sea. Since they go far out, they can catch more fish. These boats travel faster at the speed of about 20 km in 1 hour. How far would the motor boats go in 3.5 hours? 3 into 2, 60 kilometers, and half hour makes 10 kilometers. So, in total 60 plus 10, 70 kilometers. So, answer is 70 kilometers. How much time will they take to go 85 kilometers? 4 hours and 15 minutes, right? Okay. These are the motor boats. Okay. This is long tail boat. This is big machine boat, a trawler. But the fishermen are now very worried. There are some very big machine boats in the business. They go far out and put their big nets deep in the sea. This way they collect a whole lot of fish, leaving very few near the seashore. They also stay out on the sea for many days. These big machine boats also catch the small baby fish which have yet to grow up. Fishermen in the smaller boats always let the baby fish pass through their nets to go back into the sea. They choose a net in size in such a way that only the grown up fish are caught. Okay. For hundreds of years, fishermen have cared for the sea and its fishes, and fished only a little to eat and sell. They say that if trawlers catch thousands of kilograms of fish every day, there will be no fish left in the sea. Write a news report about the dangers faced by the fishes in our rivers and seas. Which boat gets how much? In one trip, the log boat brings about 20 kg of fish, but other types of boats bring a bigger catch as given in the table. The table also shows the speed of each type of boat. This is how far each boat goes in 1 hour. Look at the table and calculate about how much fish in all will each type of boat bring in 7 trips. Okay, log boat catch fish one trip 20 kg. Speed of the boat 4 km per hour. Long tail boat 600 kg 12 kilometers per hour is the speed. Motor boat 800 kg 20 km per hour. Okay, machine boat 6000 kg 22 km per hour. Okay, 7 trips. 7 trips. This is 140. This is 4200. This is 5600. This is 42,000 kg. Okay. About how far can a motorboat go in 6 hours? 120 kilometers. If a long tail boat has to travel 60 kilometers, how long will it take? Long tail boat 5 hours. Okay, like that you have to calculate some big, there I stop numbers. In the class 4 math magic, you had the number lakh, which is equal to 100,000. You had read that there are about 1 lakh brick kilns in our country where bricks are made. What other things have you heard of in lakhs? Write the number 1000 right now. Write 100,000. So, how many zeros are there in the number 1 lakh? 5 zeros. Easy, isn't it? There are about 2 lakh boats in our country. Half of them are without a motor. What is the number of boats with a motor? Write it. 1 lakh. About one fourth of boats with a motor are big machine boats. One fourth means 25,000. How many thousand machine boards are there? Come on, try to do it without writing down. 25,000. We might wonder about the number of people whose lives are related to fish. In all, there are about 100 lakh. Oh, fish workers who catch fish. 100 lakh. 100 lakh. 10 lakh. 100 lakh means crore. Okay, 1 crore. And sell them, make and repair nets and boats. We also have the name for this big number. 100 lakh is called a crore. Crore. Where have you heard of a crore? What was the number used for? Try writing the number 1 crore. Don't get lost in all the zeros. See, 1 lakh has 5 zeros. 100 lakhs has 7 zeros. So 1 crore has 7 zeros. The fish market. Have you been to a fish market? If you have, then you might know why a very noisy place is sometimes called a fish market. This fish market is busy today. Many boats have brought a good catch. The fisherwomen are shouting out their prices to the buyers. Minnie, Minnie is a fisherwoman. She is shouting like this. Come here, take sardines at a 40 rupees kg, come here. Tremendous voice. Okay, no problem. Gracie is telling us like this. Never so cheap. Guess what? Fish for a 60 kg, 60 kg, 60 a kg. Florama sells prawn for a 150 a kg. Kasturama sells squid for a 50 rupees a kg. Look, Fazilla can hardly carry this big kingfish. She says, this fish weighs 8 kg. I will sell the whole for 1200. Practice time. At what price per kg did Fazilla sell the kingfish? 1200 by 8, right? So for 300 by 2, 150 rupees per kg. Okay. Floroma has sold 10 kg prawns today. How much money did she get for that? Oh, 1500. Gracie sold 6 kg of swordfish. Minnie has earned as much money as Gracie. How many of kg of sardines did Minnie sell? Gracie sold 6 kg of swordfish. 360 rupees. Okay. Mini 40 rupees per kg, right? So 360 by 40, 36 by 4 means 9 kg. 9 kg sardines. Okay. Like that you have to compute. Bashir has 100 rupees. He spent 1/4 of the money on squid and another 3/4 on prawns. How many kilograms of squid did he buy? How many kilograms of prawns did he buy? 25 rupees on squid. Squid is how much per kg? 50 rupees per kg. So half kg of squid. How many kilograms of prawns? Prawns is how much is per kg? 150 per kg. So 75 means half kg prawns. Like that. Try saying this fast. Here is another tongue twister. Repeat it fast. Seashells on the seashore. She is sure that the shells that seashells will be there no more. Okay. Seashells on the seashore. She is sure that the shells that the seashells will be there no more. Okay. Women's Menkar Bank. Menkar Bank. Mm-hmm. The meeting of the Menkar Bank has just begun. Fazila is the president. 20 fisherwomen have made their women own bank. Each saves 20 rupees, 25 rupees every month and puts it in the bank. How much money does the group collect each month? 25 into 25, 625. How much money will be collected in 10 years? 625 per month, per year into 12. Okay, so 7,500 per year. Okay, so 75,000 per year, like that. Okay, 25 into 25 into 12, right? So 25 into 25 into 4 into 3, 25 into 4 is 100. Okay, 7,500 per year, in 10 years 75,000, correct only. Practice time. Gracie needs money to buy a net. Jhansi and her sister want to buy a log boat. So they take a loan from their bank. They will return it with interest. Gracie took a loan of 44,000 to buy a net. She paid back 345 rupees every month for 1 year. How much money did she pay back to the bank? 345, 10 months, 3,450. Okay, 2 months, 690. Now we have to add them up. How to we add them up? You need to take a vowel and then you have to you have to change the color first. Okay, okay, this is the matter here. 3450 plus how much? mm, double amount, 90, 690. 690 10 short of 700, so let's make it 700. Then how much it will be? 4100, 4140. That is the answer. Okay, Jansi and her sister took a loan of 21,000 to buy a log boat. They paid back a total of 23,520 in 1 year. How much did they pay back every month? So 23,520 divided by 12. That is what we need to find. So again we will take that number 23,520 divided by 12, right? So for again I have to write it somewhere. It will go by 4, right? 4 5 is 20. Mm-hmm. 4 8 is 32. 4 8 is 32. 0. Right. Divided by how much? 3. Will it go by 3? Let's check. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 5 21. 21 goes by 3. So it has to go by 3. That is the rule. 3 1 is 3. Right. So the answer we can directly write here of. Okay. I will be writing it here of 3 1 is 3 of 3 9 is 27 of or 3 6 of 1960 is the answer. Earlier women did not go to the boat to fish, but now Jhansi and some others are going to the boats during the day. Things are changing now and their bank helps them. They have also got a special bus to take their baskets full of fish. कुछ भी नहीं है, पहले लड़के लोग जा नहीं रहा था, अभी तो बैंक भी मदद कर रहे, ये लोग जा रहे, ठीक है. Why don't we start a new fish drying factory? The women of Minkar Bank also want to start a factory to dry fish. The panchayat has given them some land for that. Over the years, they have saved 74,000. They find out how much they will need for the factory. Fazila writes the things they need to buy to begin. See the table for the cost of each item and the number of items they want to buy. Find the total cost. Borewell for freshwater is 3000. Bamboo rack for fish drying. Okay. 3000. One quant. Oh no, no. 3000 one quantity means 3000 only. So this is 3000. Okay. Next is 2000 bamboo rack into 20 quantities. How much? 40000 40,000. Okay. Next cement tank, that is of 4 into 1000 4000. Okay. Tray and knife 20 quantity. Okay. 300 each. So how much? 6000. Bucket 70 rupees. They need 25 buckets. Means 1500. Now add them up. 6000 plus 4000. 10,000. Okay. 10,000. 3000 plus 1500. 4500. Okay. So 14,500. Sorry, this is 10,000. This is 40,000. 50,000 plus 4,500. 54,500. 54,500 is the total. Okay. How much they saved? 74,000. When fresh fish is dried, it becomes one third of its weight. In 1 month, they plan to dry 6,000 kg of fresh fish. How much dried fish will they get in 1 month? 2000 kg. Okay. Florum. Let us first calculate for 6 kg fresh fish. We buy fresh fish for 15 per kg. We sell dried fish for 70 per kg. Okay. We dry 6 kg fresh fish to get dash kg of dried fish by 3. 2 kg of dried fish. 2. You know. No. This is dilute. 2. Now it is okay. Now it's okay. For 6 kg of fresh fish, we have to pay 6 into 15. Okay. We will sell 2 kg dried fish and get 2 into 70. How much? 2 into 70? 140. So 50 rupees is the profit. Okay. So if we dry 6 kg fresh fish, we will earn 140 minus 90. That is 50 rupees. Okay. This is for 6 kg. This is 6000 kg. So 50 into 1000 then. So 50,000 in 1 month. 50 into 1000. Okay. 50,000. They are all very happy with this plan. The group can make profits and each woman can get a salary for the work she does. Jhansi, I found that for 6000 kg fish we would need 1500 kg salt every month. Its price is 2 rupees per kg. So salt price is 3000. Packing and bus charges 3000. So the total monthly cost of drying and selling the fish is 6000. Okay. Fazilla, that sounds very good. Our calculation tell us that every month our bank will earn 44,000, right? Check to see if you also get the same answer. I also got the same answer. Find out. Songs sung by fishermen are beautiful. Find out about the words and tunes of such songs. So this is where we end. Okay, it doesn't look like a typical mathematics class. Okay, there is much more information about fishermen and everything is here. Okay, it looks like a language lesson rather than the mathematics lesson, but still I hope it is very knowledgeable and it serves the purpose. I hope. Okay, okay, that's it guys, thank you. Let's meet in the next session with the second lesson. Okay. See how beautiful this nature is. You also start planting the trees. Let us bring a new change in our society. Let us plant the trees and let others plant the trees. Let's take this pledge seriously from now. Thank you.